Good morning, students. Welcome to class 3. Today we will begin with my English reader of class 3 and we will be reading the first unit, that is Animal World. In Animal World, we will be looking into this amazing poem, that is I Speak, I Say, I Talk. Before we begin reading this poem, let us first find out what are the animals that we can see in the picture. Can you see a lion, duck, horses, cows, sheep, pigs? So, these are the few animals that we can see in the picture, and we have also seen these animals in our neighborhood, even at our homes as our pets, and some wild animals at the zoo. So, we have heard them speak many a times, but do we know exactly what are the sounds that they produce? No. So today we will know what are the sounds that the animals produce. So here I begin the poem. I speak, I say, I talk. Cats purr, lions roar, owls hoot, bears snore, crickets creak, mice squeak, sheep baa, but I speak. Monkeys chatter, cows moo, ducks quack, doves coo, pigs squeal, horses neigh, chickens cluck, but I say. Flies hum, dogs growl, bats screech, coyotes howl, frogs croak, parrots squawk, bees buzz, but I talk. So, this poem is written by Arnold L. Shapiro. And by this, we come to the end of this poem, and here we see that the various sounds that are produced by different animals and birds. You have whatever names of animals and birds that you see here, you are well aware of them, you have read them, or you have also seen them. But there is one animal that you are little unfamiliar with, and that is coyotes. Coyotes is the name of an animal. Okay, so now I hope you understood the poem, and now we'll be moving towards the exercises. The exercises are question number 2. What we have to do here, we have to rearrange the jumble letters in the following words to find animal names. First one is coyotes. When we unjumble the first one, we get the name of the animal, that is coyotes. Second, monkeys. Third, elephant. 4, horses. 5, crocodile. So when we unjumbled the letters, we got these names of few animals. Now moving towards the third question, what we have to do here? Here we have to match each baby animal with its parent. So in column A we have names of babies, and in column B we have names of their parents. So now we will do the matching. First one is calf. Calf is the baby of a cow. Second, joy. Joy is the baby of a kangaroo. Third, cub. Cub is the baby of a tiger. 4, kitten. Kitten is the baby of a cat. 5, puppy. Puppy is the baby of a dog. 6, duckling. Duckling is the baby of a duck. 7, kid. Kid is the baby of a goat. And last, foal. Foal is the baby of a horse. I hope you enjoyed reading this poem, and you will also learn the different sounds that are produced by different animals when we meet up for the next class. Okay? Till then, take care.